Viewers and subscribers, wagwan! One Love Africa, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with my brother Howard, aka Kwabena, and I'm here with the next Jamaican American diaspora that just came in like a week and a half ago in the country, in Kenya, and we're taking him to show him land because he wants to invest, he wants to do, he just wants to do some investment. And he love Kenya, he love Africa, and this is a big shell shock for him to see so much. Yo, you have to hear him story himself. I'm not even sure if he want to put himself on the camera, because not everyone wants to go on the camera, but at least he can give us some input, some talk. We can have a talk with him, you know, but show you around. Yeah man, nice piece of land. Yeah man, see the nice piece of land. So one land to buy, 30,000 USD if you have plot. I don't know what size plot. Show you. Look at that man. Look at this view. You can see Nirobi from here. This side is Nirobi. I don't know if you guys can see the building. See? That's Nirobi you're looking at. That's Westland in the town, the city. So it's not really too far. And if you live here, make sure you have to drive. That's a lake. Oh, it's nice. And next thing I want to tell you guys, make sure when you're buying land, you take the land that have the red dirt. Do not buy, if you're buying for building, you take land that have red dirt. It's more solid. But if you take the land with the black dirt, it's too soft. So whenever there's rain or a minor earthquake or whatever, the house can sink. Or even if there's no rain or earthquake or whatever, over time, depends on the size of the house, over time it will take its time sink. So black dirt is not good if you're buying land in Africa to build. Black dirt land is for like farming land. Like the black dirt is like topsoil. You see for yourself, nice piece of land. Yes man. Under the sycamore tree. Yo! Where? Run, man. Yo, I'll be a fool to go out now. See what I tease about leopard. There's no leopard here. Yeah man, so viewers, I'm going to show him piece on next section. As I said, he told me that 30,000, what I said, 30,000 USD for a plot? Get the information. Yo, I said 30,000 USD for a plot? 30,000 US. Between. Okay.
Check. Cross the side.
Cross the side. Where the lake is?
Yeah. No, yeah. Let me show you.
Okay.
But here's the thing.
Migaa. No, Migaa.
Migaa.
Yeah man, see it there. See the sign there. Bring them, go show them this already. So we come back. We're going back to Migaa.
Yeah.
Migaa.
Somebody told me that it means acacia tree of life.
Tree of life, Migaa. That's the meaning of it.
Yeah.
Oh, tree of life. I like that. Tree of life.
So these are like private schools that is inside.
Private school? Oh, international school, yeah. The ArcLight International.
So this front section is going to be more commercial.
Front section.
So,
oh, yeah, there you see.
Yeah.
Look at that one.
You see here, they're going to invite hospitals, schools, some kind of malls.
Over here, at the front, yes. Yeah. The commercial section. Viewers and subscribers, we're in Migaa. I think a 2A at the end. So, as why Kwabena said, teach us the knowledge I think passed on to us, that the meaning of the word Migaa is tree of life. Oh, this place is nice, well, see?
So this is going to be
the roundabout.
Commercial section, you know.
Here?
Yeah, so that what they want is bring hospitals, malls, you know.
Yeah, yes. In this section, I understand. Because up here is going to be a resident itself.
Yeah.
So you need supermarket, yeah, all this stuff. Clinic, gas station, you never know. Like they're creating their own town.
Yeah, man.
That's
what a lot
nice.
of them are
Private
doing.
place, yeah.
So now this is the residential gate. I don't know which hole, but this is one of the 18 holes over here.
18.
Yeah, it's a full 18 hole golf course.
Golf course, yes. So you said the builders are supposed to put in the road, they're supposed to finish building the road, but because people still building on the land, they not haven't installed the road yet as yet.
Yeah, so generally what happens, the builder will put in a certain amount of infrastructure, then hand it over to like a homeowners association, no?
Yes.
Right, and then the homeowners take over from there. So
okay.
In here, that's the plan.
Okay. Right. So until when a certain upward, like maybe 70% of the house or 50,
yes.
Yeah, they will start build up. Because if they build up the land now, and people still are bringing the material and stuff and dig up the road to build, it will mash up the road.
Yeah.
So everything makes sense.
The thing is that a lot of these schemes, particularly in Kenya, the homeowners are typically quite involved once it's turned over to them.
Okay.
So, you vote on what you're going to do.
Yes.
Put money together to do A, B, and C and so forth. So that's kind of how it runs.
True.
So these are pre-built houses.
These one on the left?
Yeah.
Pre-built. They sell them?
Probably sell off already.
Yeah, I have to sell off already.
Almost everything sell off again.
True. Comes with curtains and stuff already, so sell. And for those who want to build, they can buy it. And this come with them design, them blueprint. And build it the way they want it.
So what you have to do now, you take your design and you bring it to their architect.
Yes, here already.
They have an architect council. So that council is the one that
so it's nice.
Determine if your design is good or not.
Really?
So you can't just come up with anything. You have to just pass a certain standard.
Yes. Okay. Build up 2-story, 3-story, 4-story mansionettes.
These ones back up against the golf course. The ones that actually.
Those ones.
Yeah. If you touch the golf course, you pay more.
Yeah. If I touch the golf course, what?
You pay more.
You pay more?
Yeah.
Oh. So these ones on the left is more cheaper than these on the right?
Exactly. It's the same size.
Because the golf course is more like rich people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Nice piece of land, they have access to the golf course.
You walk out your backyard and
yeah, backyard bigger. There's a man who used to watch Rising Star Magnum Kings of Queen. There's an artist come on and it said that there was a song. You have a song, he's saying that I want to build a house for my mother. I want to build a house, like you must say, the backyard, the other next backyard, bigger than the backyard. The man mash up the place. The man mash up the place there. Yeah, man.
I think this is the driving range now.
Drive here?
Driving range for golf.
Okay. Wow.
You know, if I play golf, I'm going to learn what.
Golfer.
No, they have enough of that over some driving range.
We're going to Clubhouse.
Yes, I. Clubhouse. I like how the Clubhouse cool too. Remember last time we got there, we went there. It was too cool, man, so we can keep a party over here. So with the Migaa,
the place is becoming popular. So it used to be like maybe only on the weekends you would see people, but now
but no, June
of the week people are coming out.
It'll get more popular.
Yeah, man.
And because of that, now it's the right time for anyone to come and buy a piece of land.
You have some people with money, I say, no, brother.
Yeah, man, Mr. That man. So viewers and subscribers, we're here at the Migaa Golf Estate, and this is where they're selling the plots. 1 acre, quarter acre, half acre, and I have my brother Kwabena. He's a bigger brother to me. He's actually my advisor. So any decision I'm going to make and anything I need to do, and I I think it out and I still need another opinion, I always call upon him because he's been in Africa a long time, over a decade, you know, and trust me, the man is a wise man and he never steer us the wrong way. And see, in life, sometimes you need people like that around you. You need people who can talk to you when you're going to do wrong. They can talk you out and show you different perspective of life, why you should not do the wrong. And people who can give you good advice, whether it's financially, relationship advice, or whatever advice. Always be open to learn. Always be open to listen. Always be open to take in. Be respectful. Take people advice because advice bring me far. I have a lot of friends that doesn't take advice. They didn't take advice, and most of them end up on the wrong path. So listen to me, One Love Africa. So you understand what I say. So I'm gonna link up Howard. He's on the phone right now, so ask him some more questions about the golf course. I've been here before and I did a video, one of my first type of videos that I did. So this one should be a better type of video. Yeah, better camera quality. The place is just so peaceful. Africa is a place to be. Show you around. Yeah man. This is the tree them have in Lion King. The Lion King tree. Nice man, nature is beautiful. Nature is beautiful. Nice piece of land. And remember, all of these lands, they're selling it. Except the golf course, but you can buy around it. So let me show you other places now. Up here. Yeah! Come! Up here, sir, yeah man, come, me done. Yeah man, you're good. Showing you guys up here at the golf course. Yeah.
Wonderful scene. Swahili. Not even just the basic hello.
Man, this is the club and the clubhouse. See, nice lawn. Nice lawn. You can chill out. You can read a book. You can meditate if you want. You can come to eat because I think they sell yamachoma and other type of meat like chicken. Oh, for those who don't know yamachoma, go on Google yamachoma. It's an East African thing. So it's like grilled beef, and the way they do it is different than how I would have cooked my beef. Okay, you know, we are Jamaicans and we're from the West, so we season everything properly. For yamachoma, they don't put no seasoning on it. They wash the meat and then prepare the same way on the grill, slow smoke, and they add salt to the meat after cooking. So this is what's up. Yeah man, nice piece of land man, nice piece of land. Oh, let's say Africa are nice. Eh? Oh, let's say Africa are nice. Viewers, tell me if I'm doing a good job. If you guys would like to see more of this. I'd like to see more sightseeing, land seeing, visiting more land, showing you guys more places in Africa. So if you come to invest, you want to buy land, or you want to buy apartments, or you want to start a business, reach out to me, One Love Africa, and I can connect you. I remember I work with my brother Jam towards Africa also, so anything that you want, we have the connection. Don't be shy, don't be afraid. Yeah. Oh, I need to buy a camera now. I need to upgrade my camera because I'm using my phone camera. But so far, it started where I have, you know, one cocoa food basket. That means that every little make a muckle, I will get there soon. So don't judge me of my camera quality. You know, I'm busy these days. Trying to set up businesses. You know, a lot of business going on. We have mushroom business going on. We have restaurant business. We have bar business. We have grill, jerk pan business, with the drum. There's farming business going on. There's so much businesses going on right now. But not me, but my friends, they're in these businesses. Yeah, and I'm around them. We associate, we're friends, we're like family. It's one community, and I'm the one that pulled these people together. Me and Jam Tours Africa. You see, so actually I'm link up everyone and Jam Tour, so you want record like what go on. Oh what? So like some insights. People have been waiting for these questions, so I ask some questions, give me the answer. You ready? Yes, so this is my brother Kwabena. I call him Howard, but you know, my real Rastaman, Ailey and Ari. So, Howard, thank you for bringing us here. What information you can give us about this land for my viewers who want to know about buying? Because people always reach out to me about how the procedure to buy land here, how much it costs an acre of land, like different location, different spots. For this location now, what's the least amount of money you have to buy a piece of land, like quarter acre, half acre, acre, I don't know.
Yeah.
Let me know.
Migaa sells 1/8.
1/8?
Yeah.
That's like
50 by 100.
50 by 100.
Yeah. So
okay.
1/8 and
yeah.
they sell quarters. Quarter is about 100 by 100. Right. Most of those plots are already sold. There's a few left.
They already sold off. Must be, because this is land, look on the nature around you.
Yeah.
Who would buy land here?
Yes. So the procedure is, if you're not a Kenyan, the one thing that you have to do is get what they call a KRA pin.
KRA pin?
Yeah.
Good, good. It's like a tax paper.
A tax ID.
Yeah.
Right, which is pretty straightforward. You can get that. Right? Now here, what you do is you purchase the plot. And then in Migaa, you are required to register the plot in your name, right? Which is some small amount of money, and you're also required to pay the service charge. Service charge for 10 years into the future.
10 years in the future.
Yeah. So that comes up to a few $1,000s to pay the service charge. Then what you do is you go to their council of architects, and you work with their architects to design the house that you want to build.
So you have to work with their council of architect.
Yeah.
You can't use your own architect.
If you do, their architects still have to pass your design.
To make sure you reach to the standard.
To their standard.
Oh, I understand.
Then you get your building permit, and then you start building. Right. So after that, you're covered for 10 years in terms of service charges, because you pay that up front. And you just live. You have access to the clubhouse. You have access to the golf course.
If you buy a piece of land here to build, you have access to the clubhouse, the golf clubhouse, and the golf course.
And the golf course.
Okay then. So the golf course will actually be a backyard for real.
Yes.
And I see there are a lot of trees. I see mango, I see avocado, and you have like lemon and those type of trees here. Okay.
So we're in Kiambu, and you can see that we're high elevation, huh?
Yes, I can see.
We're above Nirobi.
Yes.
I think we're probably about 6,000 feet above sea level.
Above sea level. So in case of any flooding and tsunami, anyone that live here is very safe.
Go down.
Because it's very cool here. The sun is shining very bright. It's very cool.
And they grow coffee here, so you know the elevation.
Really?
Yeah, that's coffee over there. This used to be a coffee plantation.
Here?
It's a coffee right there.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Now, Holy Mount Zion, Mount Kenya
is this way.
Direction. Right.
So Mount Kenya is this direction.
And then in this direction is Kilimanjaro.
Wait, Kilimanjaro this direction. So one mountain on the left and one mountain on the right.
Right.
So Kenya is basically covered by a mountain.
Yeah, Kenya is high mountain. High mountain, yeah. In the
city. I see. All right then, that's nice.
But other than that, you know, once you register and things like that, you build your house.
Yeah.
Ultimately, the entire estate is going to be turned over to a homeowners association.
The entire estate.
Yeah, or at least the residential part of it.
Yes.
Be turned over to a homeowners association, and typically each homeowner gets a vote, and so now you maintain and develop the community through your homeowners association.
Yes.
So that's generally how it goes.
Okay. Yeah. So that's it. All right then, my people. So here, and ask the questions, you get answers. So in case you want to hear any more information, reach out to me. Oh, don't you have a piece of lot you're selling?
Yeah, man.
So tell me, man.
Yeah, we're going to go down to it.
Okay, then.
Yeah, right on the 13th hole.
All right, then. So we got 13 hole. Is it? Check out Kwabena piece of lot. He's selling right now. Hot bread. It's for sale. So if anyone watching this video and you want a piece of land to buy around here, to have access to the whole entire golf course with the fruits and the what do you call it again? The clubhouse. Hey, when you live around here, you're licking head with the big heads. You're not talking with the small people. You're talking about respectable people that's in Kenya, the movers and the shakers and people that's doing things. And these are the type of people you need to communicate with and be around because they can give you the insight and they have the connection that you might need in life. So, buying piece of land here is a good choice. He's selling piece right now. If anyone watching this and would like to buy piece, tune in, reach out to me. And it's for sale. So the price he bought it for is giving it for a cheaper price. So take it or leave it. Stay tuned to see the place. This house, quarter acre.
Yeah. Something this size has to be.
Wow, it's nice. Very nice.
This one is either, this is probably like a quarter. You want to feel us, Ricardo? You listen.
Really? So now?
This big white one.
I'm actually like that one won't pass now. Not sure I take that one there still, but that one is nice.
Yeah.
That one I got a favor me for real.
Contemporary.
I like it, man. So viewers, next year I'm gonna buy a house or build a house like this. Remember my YouTube channel they tell us here, next year 2026 is going to happen. So this piece of land is a quarter acre.
Quarter acre, yeah. And it touched the golf course.
Yes.
Touched the golf
See.
course. Premium for that.
Yeah, nice.
Land goes all the way back there.
Straight down. Remember one lake the side there, right?
Yeah, so
Yeah, you talking about Hippo in a lake?
so them say.
So them say.
So them not going there go look.
So what? Right here, didn't it?
Eh?
What did you say, boy?
You see the sign, huh?
Yeah.
Hippo.
Before.
Eh?
In the lake, yeah.
Hey, I would like to see one.
Yeah, you see which part them put the sign when you reach the Migaa here.
Migaa place, yeah.
Yeah, them tell you.
They put it at the beginning.
At the beginning.
Yeah, they put
When
it
you
at
reach
the
the
edge.
Migaa.
My mom can see one.
Yeah, they said that there's one in here, but anytime you see something like this in this type of area, you could assume. So
Well, as long as there's no crocodile. Hippo.
But I'd be more afraid of a hippo than a crocodile.
Yeah, Maka, hippo will attack you.
Hippo are aggressive, but
Be aware of hippo. Hippos, by the way, and hippo, you know, hippos. Like you know, see how them, they're both.
but it's nice. And they have some lots that touch or overlook the pond, you know.
Mmm,
But again,
nice.
those are premium lots, but you can
Yeah.
get them. You can get them.
It's nice.
Where they will catch some water. Me going at that.
Well, at least they must be safe already.
We don't show it.
Hippo, they're my friendly.
Maybe all this time of the day they're gone way in or something.
Yeah, so hot.
God. So now there's builders that are coming in and buying tracts of land and doing their own
So this is nice.
So one of the things about being here is that to get to, let's say, the airport
Yeah,
from here
yeah.
on a good day, an hour.
1 hour.
1 hour
The airport from here.
from here. Yeah.
And a good day.
Yeah, I mean, as long as you hit the expressway,
Yes.
an hour.
Well, the expressway is supposed to go faster than an hour.
Well, from here to the expressway, that's what takes the time. Right? But once you
Yes.
hit the expressway, it takes 20 minutes.
Yes.
And you're at the airport.
Carnes.
So now you have builders that have come in and bought a tract of land and they're doing their own.
I heard it was a group of ladies, or in the
Yeah,
Sabino.
yeah.
A group of lady.
A group of ladies.
A group of lady build this estate.
And you see that wall over there, that far wall? Those lands are not serviced, so they're cheaper than the ones inside here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to bring your own water and your own.
Well, we can't go in. Alright, go on. Now go in there, go see the but.
You want to go in?
Yeah, man, let's see what going on, man. Apartments already start built.
Yeah.
Comrades. See there, a group of black ladies come together. Yeah, man. So viewers and subscribers, so we're here at the show house. Yo, the place nice to you, man. Oh, this is Africa, they're nice. What can I like Babylon, I tell? The place nice, man. Jeez, this is outside there, it's the driveway. Driveway. It's a nice little family house. Look how the place nice. Look how the place beautiful. Jano Star. Father God, bless me one of them house. Father God, bless me with one of these for my birthday or for my Christmas. For me and my family. Nice good backyard, so. When we are talking about apartments or a home or a house, this is more a home. Because man, I grew up to live in an apartment. Because where I'm from in Jamaica, we don't live in apartments. We rent apartments if we're in the city. You understand? But in Kingston, even in the city, there's a lot of homes in Jamaica. So this is what I'm used to. A backyard, you can bring your family. You can have a barbecue in the back. You can have your kids play around. They can play some football. Kids need to learn to be kids. And that is how they grow up to be a proper adult. You have boys, they need to run around, ride their bike in the community, a safe community, not a main road where a car might hit them. Somewhere that's safe. You have your dog, your animal, your cat, whatever you want, your parrot, whatever. So this is what I'm talking about, a backyard. You can even plant. As you can see, there's gardening. You can do a garden right here. You can plant your mango tree right there if you want. You have a pipe for the water and the solar lights. You see me I say? Damn. Whoa. Whoa. So viewers, I came here before and show you guys, but the place wasn't ready. It was raw. So now you come and see when it's ready. And this place is selling. Yo, I would have buy 2 of these apartments. 2 of these house. See, you can plant up your pepper tree, your fruit, your tomato tree for those who like gardening. You can put some nice flowers. You see, the yard is nice. Your kids them can play around. You have a next door neighbor. You guys can be socialized again because social media spoil everything. So now you can be socialized again. See, you can talk to your neighbor through the picket fence. You can plant and make the wheat grow, cover it up. It's up to you what you want to do. So anyways, viewers, let's go inside and show you guys what inside is really like. And then I can give you guys a price for this nice luxury apartment. Man, I like it. I like it. I'll take off my shoes?
Yeah, man.
Where? Oh, so I'll take off my shoes because viewers and subscribers. So right now we are going inside and show you guys what the place is like. And I'll give you guys all the information you need. And there's someone is going to answer all the questions. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Let me knock. Let me see if I'm civilized. Jano.
Okay, you are welcome.
Sante Sana.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So, wow, this place is beautiful, man. Yo, let me just get right into it.
Yes.
Tell me your name.
My name is Steven.
Steven?
Yes.
All right, Steven. Nice to meet you. I'm Ricardo. My YouTube channel is One Love Africa.
Okay.
So, I need you to answer some questions to provide all the details for my viewers because this apartment is lovely.
Yes.
A matter of fact, Steven, I want to buy one of these apartments. Okay. I don't have the cash now, but I'm going to get it because God is good.
Yeah.
So for those who have the money right now I want to buy it, here's Steven. He's a hard-working man, and his man can give you all the details about getting this apartment. What's the company? The name of the company?
Comrades.
Comrades.
Dream Team.
Comrades what?
Comrades Dream Team.
Dream Team.
Yes.
Okay, Comrades Dream Team.
Yes.
As you can see, the place is nice, man. See, as I enter, put on some shoes.
Yes.
Nice tiling, staircase. So, come in, talk to me, Steven. How many rooms is this?
This is a 4-bedroom house.
A 4-bedroom house.
Yes, all rooms are in suite.
All rooms in suite.
Yes, and so it's detached with the skill.
So all room have their own bathroom.
Yes.
4 bedroom.
4 bedroom.
All room have own bathroom.
Yes.
I have a detached DSQ.
Yes.
Where's the detached DSQ?
We have it behind there.
Oh.
Or you can see it.
So it's detached, so you can walk from the outside.
Yeah.
So you don't, no one, if you have a helper
Yes.
or a gardener and wants someone to stay there, even if you want to rent it,
Yes.
they don't have to use the entrance right here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. They can just have their own entrance.
Yes.
Please show me around.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let's go.
yeah, Steven is my tour guide.
Here, the sitting room.
What? Nice wood floor.
Yes.
Cause you know Nirobi is very cold.
Okay.
People think it's just because we're in Africa, it's not cold. They don't even know. It get very cold.
Cold.
So it's good to have wood floor. Oh, I like it. I like the way this place is.
Yeah.
Okay, this is sitting room.
Yes.
Nice couches. And if you guys want to change your couches, you can change your couch. Yeah, you have a curtain.
We have an out.
Oh, you can slide.
Yes. A slide from here.
I like that. Wow.
Balcony.
Go out on the balcony.
This is the balcony.
Yes, remember guys, I showed you the back part of the yard. So this is the
This is
balcony.
The garden.
So for your kids in to play, or you can put a barbecue section, or you know, whatever you want. Okay, let's see more. This is the living room.
Okay, this is living room. This is dining.
Okay, this is dining room.
Yes, dining.
Yeah, man, dining room, nice, nice. And for viewers, you can decorate your house the way you want. This is just a showroom
Yes.
to show you how to decorate or whatever idea you have. I know females in the West, they know how to decorate. They're very good.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna say very good. Especially Caribbeans, they're very good at decorating. They will make this house look like a palace. It is a palace already. I like it. I like it. Look at this. Man.
We have lights here.
Let me, yeah, lights, turn on the lights.
We have already.
How do you turn them on?
Let me switch them on.
Oh, see switch here. If this is the switch.
Let me switch them on. We have the switch here.
Where? Switch them on. Oh, this one doesn't. Oh, what? What? That's what's up. And the hand wash station. So when anyone that cooks in the kitchen,
Yes.
serve the food here.
Have the food here.
So they can wash their hands right here.
Yeah.
Hand wash station.
This mirror is here. But
Oh, really?
This one is supposed to be here, but you have not mounted
Installed as yet.
Yes.
I like this area. Serve the food here. The dining table is there. You can eat as a family. As you can see, it's a dining table of 2, 4, 6. A family. 4 bedroom house. Family settings. Yo, I like this. So let me come around there in the kitchen. See what's going on. Yeah, man. What? Nice, nice. And this what, a bathroom?
Yeah, this is a cloakroom.
The guest bathroom.
Yeah. No, cloakroom.
Lock room?
Yeah.
I mean lock room.
Yeah. Cloakroom.
Clock?
For cloakroom. This one is called cloakroom.
Oh, we call it bathroom, restroom.
No.
Let me see. I see toilet inside. What are you talking about?
It's only the toilet.
Yeah, only toilet.
Yeah,
Oh, that's where you guys call it, clock room. Oh, okay. Yeah, and this can slide. Oh, open. Oh, so when you have guests that comes and they want to use the bathroom, instead of going in your private rooms, they can go in this room. Okay, they wash your hand right there before enter in your house. Cause you have some people nasty, you know, they will use the bathroom without wash their hand. So soap and stuff will be right here. Anything you need for your guests will be right here. So I like the kitchen. My favorite part into a house is actually the kitchen. The kitchen, yeah, the kitchen is my favorite part. You want, if a lady want to win me, just make sure the kitchen is nice in our house. I come and cook everything. This is the pantry area. So you can buy your groceries, you can stack up. Can you see? You put your rice, the flour, whatever you want. A mini fridge can go right there for cooler, for vegetable. And here's where you put a big fridge. And shelves.
Yeah.
Oh, these shelves are nice. And they're not too high.
Yeah.
Nice. What the hell? This place is nice.
We have
The kitchen is nice.
Yeah, dishwasher is here.
Where, dishwasher?
Yeah, this one.
The house even come with a dishwasher?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. No, these ladies are doing good. These ladies are doing very good.
Yeah.
What's here?
Nothing.
Oh, the next cabinet area, yeah. What? This is done. Open this one more time. What? Everything is already installed. So you put in your spoon, your utensils.
Yeah.
So no one can make the kitchen untidy.
Yes.
Built-in stove. So it comes with a stove. What? Close again, let me see. Yeah. What? hot on this side. See, okay then. Built-in stove.
Built-in stove.
And this is what?
This one is an
Hot plate.
electric hob.
Bomba clot.
Yes.
So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 burner,
Yes.
and also a hot plate.
This one.
A table cooking. So
Yeah.
even if you don't have the gas, you have the hot. Hey, this place is killing it. Right at the ear vent. See? So it's took up all the smoke or the smell or whatever.
Yes.
I like it. Hey Steven, this was. Yo, they even have an oven?
Yeah.
Built-in microwave and a built-in oven? Yo, viewers and subscribers, you need to buy this house. You need to buy this house. Anyone buy this house, I'll come and cook for you for 1 month. Free. 1 month free. Just to cook in this kitchen, you need to buy this house and you get me for 1 month to cook. Nice microwave. Nice oven, built-in. More. I like this kitchen, is spacious. It have everything that you want. So anyone buy this house, they don't have to worry about where to buy a stove or oven. It's already there. An oven for baking, a microwave.
Yes.
You have the built-in stove. You even have a hot plate. If you don't have gas, you don't like to use gas,
This one.
use the hot plate. Okay, then let me see the rooms.
This is the SKU.
The SQ? Oh, please, lead the way.
This is the SKU. Here we have the laundry.
Okay, so
area.
this is the laundry area.
Yes.
So the washing machine can go right here.
Yeah.
I connect to the pipe.
Yes.
The laundry area. Okay then. Hot water.
Okay.
Hot water is throughout the house.
Yes. Here we have the hot water.
Yeah.
The whole house.
The whole house.
Yes.
I see. This is the DSQ.
This is the.
So for people like for instance, someone have a babysitter,
Yeah.
a helper,
Yeah.
a gardener,
Can
whatever staff you have,
Yeah, you have.
or if you have guests.
Yes.
If you don't want, if it's a 4-bedroom house, right?
Yeah.
So if you have a 4-bedroom house and you have guests, and if all the bedrooms are occupied, they can use the DSQ.
Just move in here.
Oh, that's nice, and it's detached. So if someone want privacy, they'll have it right here.
Yeah.
It's not a part of the house.
Yeah.
I see that. I like that. So this is the DSQ, guys. Let me see.
Yes.
Okay, bathroom is nice. Take a shower right here. The shower is going to be right this side. Come out here. Warm water, hot water. They're still fixing that part. And this is what. Oh, this part is locked. Oh, it's locked.
Just look.
It's outside.
Yeah, it goes outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have 2 entrances.
Yeah, 2 entrances.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
I like this. This DSQ is good.
I'm going to fit here a door.
A door.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
So the door is going to be right here to block off this section.
Yeah, block up that space.
I have a closet space in the DSQ. I like this thing. I like this place. The wash area. So for those who are doing laundry and stuff like that,
You have the place to put your
the gas.
here.
So put the gas outside.
Yes.
I like that, and the pipe is there.
Yeah.
Hey, this place is too much, man. This place is too good, man. So viewers, let's go upstairs and see what it's like now.
Let's go upstairs
Yeah, man.
and see what's
Oh,
there.
but we'll see. There's lights in the stairs.
Yes.
We're going up Jacob ladder.
This is the family room.
What room?
Family,
Family room.
Yes.
Oh,
This is the family room.
so you have a living room downstairs. You have a family room here also. So you can put a TV downstairs and TV here. This is nice. Or for those who like this space, they can use this space for even like a piano room or study section or whatever it is. Or even all a meeting for a meeting place.
It has its own balcony.
Wow. You can even put a hammock. Like next door neighbor, they have a hammock right there. So, damn.
It has its own balcony.
It's very nice.
Yes.
It's very nice. I like it. I like this place. It's very nice. I can tell Stephen at night time this place is very quiet.
It's very quiet.
Very peaceful. I can see because it's a far drive
Yeah.
from off the main to come here. Very peaceful place.
This is the study room.
Yes. Yeah, I move now. I move right now. Study room.
Yeah.
So the office.
We have another room here.
This is her young lady bedroom.
Yes.
Nice. Nice closet space.
Yes.
Nice bathroom.
The bathroom.
Nice. Let's see the other room because you know my viewers.
Yeah.
I need to wrap it up. This place is too big. I have to leave.
Yeah, we have another room here.
Okay then.
Yes, the suit.
In suit again. Oh, this is four room with in suit.
Yeah.
Plus study room. Plus helpers quarters.
Okay.
Yeah man. Like what's going on?
So this is the master.
Master room.
This is the master. We already have the master here.
Yeah man. It's very spacious. And big.
And big.
This is my room.
Yes.
Okay, wait no man. This is what my viewers want to see.
Yeah.
They need to see that. Closet is already here. And the closet on the right, closet on the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, 360 view. And you have a balcony?
Yeah, it has its own balcony.
Its own balcony?
Yes.
Okay, so you can go outside your own Porsche. And this is the bathroom area. Let's see what's up. They should make this bathroom, this wash tub a little bigger. It's small, but they could make it a little bigger.
Yeah.
Since the bathroom have so much space, it could be even bigger. That's the only fault I see, but it's nice though. It's very nice. See, it's very nice. The only fault I see it could be a little bit bigger, but I like it. I like it. That's it. So Steven,
Yes.
I need to ask the price.
Price?
Yes.
Price is at 2.5.
Okay. For this, oh, it have a hammock. Okay.
This is Pagola.
Paul what?
Pagola. It's called Pagola.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
It's nice,
Not
man.
a roof.
I'm sitting on the hammock right now. Yes, my viewers, sit there. I'm on the hammock, relaxing. You can see what I'm going. Yeah, man. Yo, I stay here a little longer. I want to live here right now. It's very peaceful. It's very quiet. This place is very unique. 4 bedroom, plus 2 living room, plus dining room, fitting kitchen. What more can you ask? So all rooms are in suite. That means all rooms have their own bathroom. So anyone have their own bathroom, respond to keep their bathroom clean. No one have to be coming in someone's bathroom to mess it up or wet up your bathroom and leave it wet. No, everyone responds for their own bathroom. Also, you have a DSQ, meaning a detached studio area that you can have your helper or your guest or your visitor, whatever it is. Any worker you have, a babysitter, you understand, your staff that clean the garden, the yard, they can stay in that room. So viewers, this is the place. How much is it?
32.5.
32.5 million Kenyan shillings. 32.5 million. Hey, I'm going to do the translation for you guys in USD so you can know. But for 32.5 million USD, you get your own home. The family can be here. As I said, the community can ride your bike around. You can interact with people. You can have your social life for your kids and your family, what you're looking for. Social life is very important because these days social media take away that. So now when you have a place like this, it's not apartment. I'm not talking to you about apartment. I'm talking to you about a home. You can plant your trees, your fruits, your vegetables, your herbs, your flowers. You can have your car parked in your yard, your own privacy, your security. There's security here, right?
Yes.
Walk around. There's security to walk around. What about the power?
The power.
Generator stuff.
We have electricity. While you don't have electricity, we have a backup generator for the whole estate.
That's even sweeter.
Yeah.
So even if the power goes out,
yeah,
because this is Africa, it will happen.
Yes.
So even when the power go out, for here, it would never goes out.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what time of the day or night. There's a backup generator. Yo, I like this place so far. 32.5, you said?
Yeah, the 2.5 million.
And it's negotiable?
Yeah.
Gotta be negotiable.
It's negotiable.
See? So you guys can even negotiate something. What's the payment plan?
You can use a bank.
No, what's the payment plan? Like, do you have to pay like a percentage, a deposit of something?
Yes, if you don't have cash, you pay 20% of 32.5.
20% off.
Yeah, of 32.5, and then the rest you pay by installments.
By installments.
Yes.
So you hear that, people? You can make a payment plan for a house like this. You want to own in Africa. You don't need an apartment with too much people, might be too much strangers. The kids can't go out to play. They have locked up in the house because there's no play area. For this place, you can have your kids, your family, your earth, your barbecue, whatever you want to do. Your dog, your cat, your parrot, your fish, your kangaroo, whatever you want. 32.5. Pay 20%, and the rest you can pay in installment per month until it's cleared. Viewers and subscribers, this is One Love Africa. Let me go downstairs and show you the community. Boom. Okay, we have to see the guest room before we leave because you enter through here at the door, and this is the guest room for all of your guests. So anyone of guests coming over, can remember, if you want me to come cook for you, this is going to be my room to stay. The international chef is Ricardo, aka One Love Africa, will be here to host you guys, and this is my room.
Yeah, and suits.
All in suit. Yeah. So top it off, 4 bedroom, 2 living room, all in suit, 1 studio room, we call it the DSQ. Oh, the bathroom is big. Yes, I like it, I like it. Yeah. See? So people, viewers, and look at it too. The guest, oh, you notice, as I said, this is not an apartment, it's a home. You have windows. You can pull the window and move it. Nothing else. Yeah. So you pull, you can see what go on, you can see your kids there, your family. You understand? Watch it. My neighbor walk on. Yeah, man. So let me close back this. Because we don't want to leave the place open.
Yes.
Yeah. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Yeah, man. Viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think. You like it or not? Viewers and subscribers, I forgot to tell you guys, they even have a swimming pool area. Yo, this place can't be any sweeter than that. It even come with a swimming pool area. But take one more look at the house, the apartment, before we leave. Just one more look. The garden here I'm telling you about. You can plant your flowers. Nice, see? Some pretty flowers. Yeah, you can't go wrong. Close it. Slide gate. You can even have your own security. Your own watchman to live there so you can open the gate for you at night time when you come. Or daytime or whatever time. Place is nice. Nice flowers at the front. I like this place. 4 or a few Kikuyu ladies, I heard, come together and buy this land. I think a few acres, and then build this. Can you believe it? That is why I say power, unity is power, because some people is so selfish, they don't want to come together and do nothing like this. And these people come together and this, yo, 4 ladies, or 5 ladies, something like that. All I know is ladies, females, come together, buy a piece of land, maybe 3 acres or so, or 5 acres, and then build their own estate. Why we as man can't come together, black man? Why some of you guys watching this channel can't come together, even with your family? If each person come with 100,000 USD and see how let's invest, or it don't be 100,000, it could be less than 100,000 USD. Because you know how much a house in America, and you still have to be paying tax and stuff like that. So if you guys put your money together, your resources together, even 4 or 5 persons, you could even take 2 persons, come together, come up here and buy even 5 acres of land, and then you get the builder. You understand? The contractor. You pay the contractor the money. You tell him the plan, the blueprint, what you want, something like this, and you pay him the money, and he will get the workers, the material, everything. The only thing you need to do is just come check on it every week. Every week you come to see the progress of the land that you're doing. So, viewers and subscribers, people need to come together. If these ladies can do it, it's a motivation for a lot of other guys can do that. Because we're male. You want to prove your masculine energy. You want to prove your masculine strength. You want to prove that you're a man. Okay then, we're not going to disturb the manhood. Come and show it right here. Do something. Stop sit down and talk about, oh, black people need to unite. Black man need to unite. People need to come together. We're in Africa. We're doing it. I'm showing you guys. You guys are everywhere else in the world. You can come and do it yourself. We can come and we can unite, you see? More places. This is the swimming pool area for the complex. Oh, they're building it. Imagine when this thing finish. As you can see for yourself. They have water tank, backup generator. This place have everything. Street lights, solar system. Even solar system is in the house. In the yard, they have solar lights. You do not burn a lot of power, electricity. So what are you guys waiting on? Playground? I lie. No, sir. Me not left over here then, man. So this is going to be these houses? These all the mansionettes. Wow. You see what I talk about? These apartments, they're saying these are the 5-bedroom apartments. 5-bedroom, all of these. 5-bedroom. So you have 4-bedroom, you have 5-bedroom. And this is going to be play area. Yo, this side. Play area? Garden. Where? Garden. Oh. So play areas around here. Let's see what I'm going. So this is the swimming pool area. See what's going on. So yeah, this is the play area I'm talking about. This is the road. Look on that landscape. Look at that landscape. Trees, nature. No chemical, no factory, no plastic burning. You know, nothing that's toxic that's going to ruin your lungs or the whatever you're inhaling, your oxygen. So look at that. And this is the building at the poolside play area. You walk from there to go up there. Or you can walk from here to go up. Trust me, people. That place, yeah, I got shocked when it done. This place, I got nice. And trust me, it's in a nice area, nice community where they have the Migaa Golf Estate. Can't go wrong with here. Can't go wrong with here. See? 5-bedroom mansionette. Can't go wrong with here. What them must say? Wagwan! Africa, Wagwan, Wagwan, Africa, Wagwan. Africa, me a ask Wagwan, Africa. Them a ask Wagwan. 4-bedroom house, 5-bedroom mansionette. Africa, you see? Wagwan. Pull up, spend the money, keep on. We tell bad mind to keep calm. Viewers and subscribers, this is it. So we haven't shown you guys the other places yet, but stay tuned for part 2. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Leave a comment, reach out to me for the information you need. Me, One Love Africa, I'm back. Alright viewers, we're there now, so you can see what I'm going. You see, this is the lot that's selling right now. This is Kwabena piece of lot. He's selling. Nice tree. Nice piece of lot. Nice piece of lot. Nice piece of lot. You see what I'm going? Pemba grass. This grass is called Pemba. Pemba grass. So if you don't even want this grass, because this grass is nice to have in the yard, it's easy to maintain. But even if you don't want this grass in your yard and your lot, you can change and get a different piece of grass. This tree is what they have in the Lion King. Yo, Howard, what's the name of this tree? Acacia tree. Acacia. Tell them to put it in the comment. Acacia tree. Acacia. I think the Lion King movie. Talk about Simba. I talk about Mufasa. See the land? Nice house. So he's actually selling here. Selling his piece because he have more than one piece. So because of our Jamaican friend now that with us, he's actually selling his section to my guy if he wanted. This section right there. So you have this, that, that. And when you buy, you have all of the space. You can do it just like over here. And guess what? The goal about it is you have access to everything here, because this land is a golf course, a golf estate. So anyone that lives here, when you buy his piece of land, you have access to everything here. And you have a mango tree. Let me show you guys the mango tree. You have mango tree. You have an avocado tree. Avocado pear, mango embe. See there? This is the mango tree, people. You know where they are, Jamaica? But if you climb tree or take stone and lick off tree, lick mango off a tree. Yeah man, yo, it's like a ripe one day. The one that ripe, you know. Yeah man, the one that ripe, man. Mellow. The one that's sweet and mellow. Sweet marshmallow. See it there? Mango. You don't have to buy mango, so that's the beauty about this. And that big tree is the avocado tree. So you have like 2 mango trees here, and you have 2 big avocado trees here. You have avocado for days. For days. This is what's going on. So you can still plant up in your yard if you want to plant like your, see, your banana tree, planting. You can plant the cherry tree, ackee. You can plant an ackee tree in your yard. Your whatever tree you want to plant, as you can see. So you buy the land, and you can build your house. You can build your house just like this if you want. You can design it the way you want it. People is sleeping right there to show you. And it's very peaceful and quiet here. Very peaceful and quiet. You don't have to worry about nothing. You have access to all of this. So when you have kids, your kids can go and play. Think about the future. Don't talk about, oh, you don't want no land now. You never know what tomorrow might be. That's the same mistake, or that is the same mistake our great-grandparents and grandparents made. They have access to the land, they get free land, and they turn it over for a few shillings. Because they say they don't need this land, land can't eat, what they're going to do with the land, and turn it over to the white man or to someone else. I'm not being racist, I'm just saying, when you have land, land is gold. Even if you're not using it, you can buy it and leave it. The value for this land always go up. So the price you're selling this land for now, by 2026, the price is going to be double. And each year goes up, the price is going to be triple, flipple, yeah. So that's what's up. Viewers and subscribers, I'm here to share this information with you guys because people reach out to Mr. Ricardo. They need land to invest, they want to see what it's like. And there's a lot more land over here I can show you guys, but you guys are not serious. I've been showing, but you guys are not supporting me. I'm not getting no support. So I can't be showing in vain. You know, I have stuff to do. So I'm showing you guys this now. Come together, unite, put your money together, and see if you can buy 2 acres, half acre, whatever. You can build your own estate, you can build. Let's do this. You come together and get the land, and you can, like 4 of you guys, 5 of you guys, get the land, and then you can buy it, buy the material, build anything to build. Or if you want to get your architect, you get the architect, you draw for the plan, you can build like an apartment complex. And you can rent it out, or you can sell it. So you can make like a 20-bedroom apartment complex, 1 bedroom. Cause around this area, there's no 1 bedroom. This area is 5 bedroom, 6 bedroom, 4 bedroom, 3 bedroom. So think about it. If you put up an apartment complex here on this piece of land like this, maybe 10 bedroom or more, and you can sell back. You spend, for instance, you spend like 100 million Kenyan shillings. Yeah. Let's do the maths. You spend 100 million Kenyan shillings in total to build, like buy the land and build something big like a 10-bedroom apartment or a 20-bedroom, 1-bedroom apartment complex. You can sell back each of that 1 bedroom around this big area for 8 million and more. And 8 million is like in Nirobi city. We're congested. I don't know why Nirobi city is so expensive. Because it's so congested, no space, too much noise. Yo, but people like this city because the amenities surround it. But if you want to be not too isolated, but you want to have yard space, family space, quiet, fresh air, live with band with nature, free access to a golf estate for your kids to can run around and play around, free access to events, free access to the food trees that's here, then invest here. One of those pieces of apartments you can sell for like 8 million and up. Yeah man, see? Not even 50 million it costs to build this. Not even 50 million Kenyan shillings it costs to get the land and build this. So think about it. If you guys come together and spend 100 million Kenyan shillings, you can do a lot. So unity is power. Unity is strength. Unity is wealth. If 4 to 5 Kenyan African ladies can come together and buy 4 to 5 acres of land and build their own estate. This is something I've been telling people since the first day I come to Africa. When I see that the land is here like crazy. People should come together. You coming from the US, you might come from Jamaica or England, it doesn't matter. If you can get like 4, a team of 4 or a group of 5, it could be more, depends on how you want to do it. And you guys come together and each person put like 30 million Kenyan shillings. Instead of you buy a 1-bedroom or 3-bedroom apartment for 30 million in the city, take your 30 million with 3 more guys with 30 million, that's 90 million. You buy the piece of land and you build a 20-bedroom, 1-bedroom apartment right here. And you sell back each for 10 million. Because 10 million, you have all of this. Or you can sell 2-bedroom for 13 million. You can't go wrong. So viewers and subscribers, the price is there, the land is there, the opportunity is here. Make use of it. Yes viewers, so I eat some food, some chocola. See the golf cart right now. Is the golf cart. Wagwan!
Wagwan.
See it there? Yeah man. Nice. Nice garden space as I showed you guys before. And the swimming pool is going to be over there.
Oh, a pool over there.
Yeah. There. Yeah man, so I sit right here so I get some food to eat. Golf cart. Chocola time. Viewers, we'll get some food. Get some food right now. Hungry. Yo, wait, come. Jeez and peas. Let's come with a biscuit. Yo, hungry a bit, man. So the great Kobena.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Waiting.
Love the place, man.
Yeah, man.
Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment.
Why is this?
The place to be. So, come on, how much you say I sell it up the place for, the land? You're selling the piece of land that you show us. You say it's 4.8? The size?
The size is 1.8.
1.8. 1.8.
Alright, maybe I talk about that.
Alright then.
Yeah, you have to talk about that.
Alright, viewers, talk about it. So get the price. You can post in the video. Come and buy. Don't wait too long. I'm out. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. What is under my nose? I'm out.